In January last year, the Commissioner set a budget of over £100 million to deliver policing services for the Dyfed-Powys area during 2019 and 2020.
So I'm here today in front of the Police and Crime panel. Now they hold me to account for the decisions I make, and I've been here today with probably the biggest decision that I make as the Police and Crime Commissioner, which is to set the council tax level, which is referred to as the precept. So I was here asking for a 4.83 rise in the precept, and that equates to £12 per household, so an increase that would give the policing enough resources to be able to run the budget through the next financial year. They give me a bit of a grilling. They ask questions about why we need the money, what the money is going to be invested in, and what activities will take place during the next year. But they did unanimously support the precept rise, which I'm very, very pleased about.
Once again, Dyfed-Powys has the lowest council tax precept in Wales and the fourth lowest council tax precept increase across England and Wales since 2012. Despite a number of financial and operational challenges, including those arising as a consequence of the COVID-19 pandemic, the office managed an underspend of £1.792 million. The commissioning budget for 2019 and 2020 was just under £1.5 million, of which nearly £600,000 was funded by the Victims Grant from the Ministry of Justice. This graph shows how that money has been spent. Decisions on how this money is spent are made between the Commissioner and his Commissioning Advisory Board, who focus on scrutinising activity and holding service providers to account, ensuring a high return on investment. To view all of our annual report videos and to read the Commissioner's report in full, please go to our website.